It's a employee ID. So this is my employee ID plus concatenate with comma and then the file name. That's all. So now this is my select parameter for ith file, means each file. So this slug we need to give it here. Did you understand, guys? Step number 1, adding the slug parameter. So what I'm doing, slug parameter means it's a combination
I have one doubt. The key should be slug or it can be anything else also?
No, it should be slug only.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. So here, so slug is a combination of employee ID plus file name. So you just need to write your employee ID, so which you already read at the top of the, at the beginning of your function, and then put a comma, and then files of I means ith file dot get file name. So now you got the slug parameter of each file and you kept it here. Okay, step number 1 is over. Now step number, here you have 3 steps. Step number 2 not required for UploadSet. Step number 3 is required. Okay, so let me do that. Syntax will be the same syntax. Otherwise, let me copy this one. So this is step number 2. The step number 2 is adding CSRF token. This is construct CSRF token. So this is step number 2. So to construct the CSRF token, again we can use the same refresh security token, same to same stuff. So even this one we have at the top. So same statement. Okay. So you need to go to the OData model and then you just refresh the security token. And this is same CSRF token. This is same as yesterday's class. This is also CSRF token, and the value. So value again you can get it from the OData model. So value is this dot get owner component dot get model means OData model. The OData model got a function that is get security token, so it will give you the security token directly. Okay, right. So in yesterday's class, to get the XCSRF token, we have written another syntax. So your OData model dot get headers, and then we have written XCSRF token. So these 2 ways are there. Either you can write this one or you can write this one, get security token directly. So anything you can use. Even you can use the same function here as well. You can remove this and write get security token. Anything is fine. This is a little older and this is a little newer function. That's all, but both will work. Yeah. So that's all, only 2 steps, guys. Step 1 and step 2. That's all, and then you can upload this particular file to the backend. To upload the file to the backend, in yesterday's class we have written file uploader dot upload function. So here this statement must be present in the loop because we are already inside the loop, because this has to upload each file. So you need to write UploadSet dot upload item. So your UploadSet dot upload item and your array of files of ith file. So that's all, guys. So very simple logic. So we have taken a for loop. So inside the for loop, whatever the files that you have uploaded, so we have taken all the files, and for each file we are constructing a select parameter, we are constructing XCSRF token, and then we are calling your UploadSet dot upload item ith file. So when I equal to 0, first file will be uploaded. When I equal to 1, second file will be uploaded, and so on. Okay. So for each loop, it will trigger your create underscore stream function, guys, with the first file details. And when the loop gets repeated, again create underscore stream function gets executed with the second file details. Fine. Now the end user will be waiting whether all my files got uploaded or not. So we need to display a message whether these files are uploaded or not. So for that, we have the function that is upload complete. So where is this function? Yeah, this one, upload complete. So this is the function which gets executed.
This one. In
Yeah.
View3 controller, you have declared the variable wrong. In bottom, upload item is there, right? You want to remove upload D. Before that D you want to remove. Here. There only.
This one.
Yeah. You declared wrong.
Okay, yeah. So it's already showing here dots. That's a nice observation. Yeah, thank you. That's correct. It was showing dot as having that in mind, but I just ignored. Yeah, thank you. All right. So
Wherever you declare, that places it came dots.
yeah, exactly. Yeah. So now the end user will be waiting to see
Again
whether
it went wrong with this one.
I think again it went wrong.
About
Yeah,
2 lines
here
it
also.
went wrong.
Yes,
3 lines.
yes. So here, in all these places. Yeah. So let me cross check now. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I think this is fine now. Right. So we need to display the message whether how many files got uploaded successfully, how many files does not uploaded successfully. So this particular message we need to display to the end user. So how do you display? By using this particular action, and that is upload completed. So this function get executed not only single time, this function get executed for each file that you have uploaded. Okay, if you uploaded 3 files, this function get executed 3 times. Got it? So within this particular function, you can display a message saying that you can get the file name inside the function, and you can display whether it is uploaded successfully or not based on its status. So let us copy this and put it in the controller. So this is resume upload complete. And let's write the O event. So as I mentioned, this function not executed only one time. This gets executed for as many files that you have uploaded to the backend. Okay. Now what we need to do, so we just need to take the status. So this O event has a parameter called status, just like yesterday. Okay, but this O event parameter also has something called file name. Okay. So 1 second. Yeah. So it's a status and O event get parameter item dot get file name. So both it will have. So it's the same code, yesterday's code, but anyway, just a message box success and error. The only difference between yesterday's code and this code is you will get an extra parameter called file name. Yeah. So O event dot get parameter status. So this is same code yesterday. There is no difference in the coding. Now you check if you'll also get file name, guys. So O event has another parameter called item dot get file name. So you will get the file name of the file that got uploaded. Now you can display if the status is 201. So we can display a message saying that the file, so with this particular file name, uploaded successfully, otherwise not uploaded successfully. Or you can write this file upload failed. The file with this file name failed to upload or something. Failed to upload. So you will get, for example, if I am uploading 2 files, you will get this message box for 2 times. Got it? So now let us see by uploading some some resumes. So yesterday we uploaded for Anil, right? Anil has a photo, so let's upload some resume also for Anil. I'm going to add the files for Anil UI5, Anil app. So these two I'm going to select. Okay, and I'm going to click on the upload CVs. So let's keep a debug point inside the success function with F12. So you can keep a debug point here, and you can also keep a debug point inside on resume upload complete. Okay, right, I'm clicking upload CVs. Now the first statement, employee ID. So what is the employee ID? 100002. Now when we went inside the loop, we constructed the select parameter for the first file, so which is Anil underscore UI5 PDF 100002. And then this is XCSRF token. So let us see, what is this? Is this giving the CSRF security token properly or not? Yes, it is giving security token as well. Now let's continue. Now it went into the for loop for the second time. So this time the select parameter is Anil underscore abap.pdf. So the previous one is Anil underscore UI5.pdf. Now continue the execution. So it should come into this on resume upload complete function. Now it has came here. And even you just observe this function get executed 2 times. This is the first time. Now let us see the status 201. That means upload success. And which file name? Anil underscore UI5. This is the first file. Okay. So you will get the message, this got uploaded successfully. Continue the execution. Now you can see again this function executed and the line has come here. So you have seen file Anil underscore UI5.pdf uploaded successfully. Okay, so first message box is over. Now coming to the second file, this is second file. Now continue, and you can see status second file did not upload it. Why? For the second file we are getting 403 forbidden. Why this is coming as 403? Anyway, so let us try. The file name is Anil underscore abap.pdf. So it is went into the else part. Now it will display this file did not see. So one got uploaded, one did not get uploaded. So we need to find out the reason why the second one did not get uploaded. Yeah, got it. So here there is one statement that we need to write. So by the way, let me check the backend once. How many files got uploaded? It's 11. So let's go to table, resumes table. Go to the contents. Execute. Yeah, only one file got uploaded, second file did not get uploaded. Anyway, so at least you understand, like whatever the files that are successfully uploaded, so you will get success message, and whatever the files that are not uploaded, you will get the error message. Now what is the reason why the second file got failed? The reason is within this particular for loop, once you upload an item, whatever the header fields that you have added, so these header fields that you have added for the each file, okay, so these to be removed, means these to be destroyed. We need to clear these header parameters, otherwise there is a chance that for the second file within the loop, when the loop gets repeated for the second file, there is a chance that the same header files might be copied for the next file as well. Okay, so after the line number 92, once you upload the item of ith file, so you need to clear all these header files. So I think the statement is to remove all header files. So this particular statement I did not yeah. So my UploadSet dot remove all header fields. So what this will do is, the previous file, for the previous file, whatever the select parameter, whatever the XCSRF token, so whatever are there, so those will be cleared and fresh header fields will be added for the second file. So here what happened is, for the first file they are added, fine. For the second file, when the loop gets repeated, these header fields, since I did not remove, so it just taken the header fields of the previous file. So that is the reason the second file got failed. Now let us test it once again. Okay, so is that because of this particular statement or not? So this time I will take the example of Babji. So Anil, we uploaded only one resume. So for Babji, we'll try to upload 2 resumes. This is 100003, and let me try to upload. So this upload button, and so I'm just changing this name from Amit to Babji. Babji UI5. Okay, so let me select Babji UI5 first, and then Babji ABAP, and open these files. Now let me click on submit, that is upload CVs. Click on this. So I'm continuing the execution. So we already know this is working fine. So this one is something we need to check. Yeah, so first file, let us see the status. 201 for the first file. The file name is Babji_SAP UI5. So message box. So it should show Babji_SAP UI5 uploaded successfully. Okay. So let us see the next. Continue the execution. So it came inside for the second time. Now let us see the second file got executed, got uploaded or not. Yeah, so this time we got 201. So that means the problem is with that statement only. So we need to remove this statement, line number 93. So once you upload a file, you need to remove all its header fields that are added previously. Otherwise, it considers the same header fields, and which will become a problem for the consecutive files. Okay. All right, now let us see, this file got uploaded. So you will get 2 message boxes now. Yeah, so this is ABAP uploaded successfully. So this is the second message box. Now let us cross check the table. So let me refresh this table. Where is refresh? Now let me just go back and come here. Yeah. So for Anil there is only 1 row, but for Babji you can see 2 rows are there. So Babji_SAP UI5, Babji_ABAP. So in tomorrow's class, what we are going to do is, we are going to display these files in the second view. So in the second view, the way we are displaying the basic information, the way we are displaying the project information. So similarly, we are going to add one more tab here, and the tab will be your attachments. Okay, attachments are nothing but your resumes. So when you click this particular tab, so Anil has only one resume, so one row will be there, and there will be a download button. So once you click on the download button, you can download your resume as well. So this we are going to see in tomorrow's class. So this will go in the similar lines of how you displayed the projects. So similarly, we'll display the resumes of this employee. How to do that? So we'll see in tomorrow's class. So if you have any question, you can ask me, otherwise you can leave for today. Okay, fine guys, then have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Hello. Hi, Rizwan. Rizwan, there is one question from the previous lecture. Right? We are using a one app for help. If we are in the case of a multiple app for help, right? So we have to repeat the same code, or we have to manipulate the code, right? Because in the control, for example, you have a closed dialog, right? So we have to repeat the same closed dialog for the multiple time. So for the multiple app for help, what should be done, right?
No, for multiple F4 helps also, what you can do is your fragment name will differ. Okay. Your fragment name, see for one particular, let me see if that code is here. You are talking about F4 helps only, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me go to the view 1 controller. Yeah. So here, this particular fragment name will differ for each file. Correct. So either you can write this function, entire function separately, that is one way. Otherwise, what you can do is, to this particular function, you can send a input parameter, like which button was clicked. So basing on the input field, so when you click on the F4 help, the F4 help is different for different fields. So you can instead of writing this particular function multiple times, write this function only one time and pass the fragment name. So you pass only this particular fragment name. Okay, so write an extra function, that is what I am saying. So write an extra function for all the F4 helps, call the same function. So from that function you call this particular function, and within this function you just need to pass this parameter, this one. So remaining anywhere remaining entire code is same.
Okay, yeah.
But better thing is write this particular code separately, because each dialog has its own variable and it has to be opened, closed. You really don't know when you will open it, when you will close it, right?
And also, if there is one more question. If we have using a multiple F4 help button, then there is a performance issue or not? For example, if you use more than 7-8 F4 help button in a single view.
Why the performance issue will come? No performance issue will come, because you are not loading the data at a time, right? So when you click on the F4 help, at that time the data gets loaded. So how the performance will come into picture? No.
Okay.
If you are loading all the data of all the F4 helps at a time, so at that time the performance issue will come. But we don't do that.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Nice.